Have you heard that if you grab a backpack, pack your backpack, grab your camping supplies, pack your food, drive to the mountain, go for a mile hike, cross a log, find a campsite, set up a tent, blow up the air mattress, pull out the sleeping bag, gather firewood, start a fire, cook a meal, eat dinner together, eat some s'mores, lay down and look at the stars, wake up, brush our teeth, eat breakfast, hike some more, cross a bridge, hike to a waterfall, stand under a waterfall. If you do all these things, you'll create lasting memories.